hope you are doing great today. If you don't know me, my name is Areli, and today I'm gonna show you how to make Mexican crab ceviche. This recipe is absolutely delicious. It's so easy and super fast to make, and this recipe is perfect for Cinco de Mayo, which is around the corner. So if you're at home with your family and you want to do something special, I promise you everybody will love this recipe. But before we start, I invite you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, because I upload videos every single week. So make sure you don't miss any of them by clicking that subscribe button and the little bell so you get notified whenever I upload new content. But without further ado, let's start with this recipe. To make our ceviche, we will need 1 pound of crab meat shredded, 5 medium tomatoes or 3 or 4 large tomatoes cut into small cubes, a medium-sized onion chopped into small pieces, half a bundle of cilantro finely chopped, the juice of 8 to 10 medium limes or 5 to 8 large-sized limes, serrano pepper finely chopped to taste. I used about 3, but you can add more or less depending on how spicy you want it. We add all the ingredients into a container one by one, and then we proceed to season our ceviche. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder to taste, oregano to taste, salt and pepper to taste, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of mayo. Mix well until all the ingredients are combined and test it to adjust the flavor if necessary. You can add more lime juice, salt, or mayo depending on how you like it. And just like that, our delicious ceviche is ready. You can eat it on tostadas with some chips or crackers, and I promise you everybody will love it. And that is the result of this delicious crab ceviche. As you saw, it's very few ingredients, very easy and fast to make, so I'm pretty sure everybody will love it. So I hope you liked this recipe and this video. If you did, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and also share this video with your loved ones so they can learn how to make this delicious dish. As always, it was a pleasure for me being here with you today, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye!